Hey guys, today I will show you how to add Matchain Network to MetaMask. So first what you need to do is open your MetaMask wallet on your browser or mobile app and log in. Once you're inside, click on the network drop-down menu at the top and then choose Add Network. From there, select Add a Network manually so you can enter the RPC details for Matchain. Now you need to type in the required settings. For network name, enter Matchain. In the RPC URL field, paste the official Matchain endpoint. For the chain ID, enter the number provided by Matchain. In the currency symbol box, type in match. And finally, add the official Block Explorer URL for Matchain. After filling in all the information, click Save. MetaMask will now add the Matchain network and automatically switch you over to it. You should see match tokens displayed as the native currency. From here, you can send, receive, and interact with dApps on Matchain directly within MetaMask. And that's it. That's how you add Matchain Network to MetaMask. Thanks for watching.